agency, I dare them to bring the police charge sheet that was presented at Medina Magistrate Court. I dare them to produce the voice of the police officer who said in the courtroom, say there was a substance that killed him. I dare them. And then before the end of this report, I dare any media house. And then I have a copy of the charge sheet. Papa ni ja ma actually. Oja nkola, oja oyire, oja busia actually. Regardless what killed him, regardless where he was, ZionFelix is making a claim that he's been denied entry. But you all are here. What I told him is what I told you guys. All the bloggers and media houses that came, I never changed the statement. I've even heard now that ZionFelix is making a claim that he's been denied entry. But you all are here. What I told him is what I told you guys. That look, today, the 1 week, the family is doing 1 week to avoid the eyes of the media. Nonetheless, the media can still stay and do whatever interview they want to do. But in the premises, it is a private celebration we are having for our brother. Now, based on how things have happened, the various reportages that have gone on to dent the image of the man in question, the deceased, his family. Some are even talking of the wife. We can't open doors to just let any media house do things and do the same tangent and do all the reportages that they want. I never stopped doing. The catcher and say, look, a private ceremony, there are other media houses, but and let your plan and say you're contracting confirm, they are doing all our videos and everything for our documentary. If you want to be here, I won't stop you. You can interview whoever you want out there, but in the premises, I wouldn't want you taking live videos and stuff, especially of the wife and the family. We are not ready to expose any of them. But yes, exactly. And I told all of you the same thing.
It's what we said news and our post news. Or to say denial.
I don't know how he defines denial. I don't know how he sees denial. For me, denial is totally asking you to walk out of my premises, me throwing you out. But if he will be fair to himself, then what we discussed, if I walk him out of the premises, he wouldn't have even stand to clean his cameras and stuff. That is denial. I won't give you any room within the premises. If that didn't happen, let's say you also are online journalism. Let's say no one can generally India and say denial. But he should have found the appropriate way to define what he wanted to report. It's up to him. I wouldn't want to dive deep into that matters like I have said earlier. But my man can't some way. And then before the end of this report, I dare any media house, especially agency, I dare them to bring the police charge sheet that was presented at Medina Magistrate Court. I dare them to produce the voice of the police officer who said in the courtroom, say there was a substance that killed him. I dare them. Yes, and then I have a copy of the charge sheet. Now, I can share with all of you a copy of that charge sheet. What is on the charge sheet? What the police presented to the court. So said we have that and every security will be bad here. And I don't try to see assembly between Sunday. And I want to go through actual BBR. I can't tell it anyhow. You understand me? Now, they claimed the police autopsy report. I led the family to do the autopsy on Tuesday. As I stand here, we have not even been given the report because there are further investigations that are going on now, and we are required a couple of days to come to a conclusion. So where from the autopsy report they claim? And then you that is the fact. I've given you the raw fact. And then you see you, I am basically one. Said the fact, you say, I media for no more reporting so. Only from Yansania being here because we the kind. Papa ni ja ma wa chire. Oja nkwala oja oyire. Waja busia e wa chire. Regardless what killed him, regardless where he was. They reported Bibia. Ma we learn sana wadi. Latin can guide you what you write. That is what true journalism is about. Dig down, go deep, speak to people, and understand the facts from the ground. Now, no media house, no proper media house listens to one side story to make a report. No proper media house. Oh, it's not judgment. I presume that police will go back to court to plead for more time for investigation. I presume that whoever is involved, the said lady, and whoever we are suspecting will join, they will present, and still, I'm not looking for making presumptions that, oh, this will happen to no. Our lawyers will be there to bear brief and watch for us as a family. I wouldn't compromise. But some beautiful fact, you say, I will be so that only friend is over to Wabawa. None in Angela Buddhist. And as a Bocasia, any a Suman appointing, I won't be some Yokoto. Ocasia, any a Suman appointing, won't be some Yokoto. You know, Ben, as I call him, was beyond a friend to me. I saw Ben as my blood brother. That is the relationship between us. I handled Ben's business like my business. Ben handled me. I can go to Ben's workplace and see something wrong and fire whoever is involved. He will come and say thank you. Jigami. Ben can call my wife and say, wifey, and yes, my wife's last travel, the ticket was bought by my brother Ben. So between Ben and I, it is a bond of family. It's deep. Do you understand? Abusia Edda Oman Fasi said Norma Bejayan. They've shown love. I really appreciate it. Lastly, on the 9th and 10th of December, we would have the original or official funeral. And the funeral will be here at East Legon Executive Clubhouse. So, loved ones can still come on that day to show their love. We are grateful to those who know the truth and have kept quiet. We are still grateful to those who report ill. Their time is coming.